2020 27-foot Sea Ray SDX. It's powered by a 350 horsepower Mercury engine, complete with digital shift, power steering. It's a perfect power plant for this boat. You can see the spacious interior. This boat is huge. It's got seating for as many people as you like, as it's yacht certified. This opens up the cockpit area for entertaining. You've got two tables, one for the cockpit, one that will go up in the bow area. This particular boat even has the filler cushions for up front if you want to make a nice complete sun pad to lay out on. You'll notice at the helm, we've got Simrad digital dash. This will be your GPS, your sonar, all your engine data. Everything is electronic, which is a beautiful option on this boat. You've got LED lighting package in blue, accent lighting underneath all of the edges of the seat cushions. This boat at night is absolutely gorgeous, all the way down to the lit cup holders. For convenience, you've got a full marine head that has overboard discharge with a freshwater sink down below. The boat's got a freshwater shower aft at the stern, and you've got stereo controls both here at the dashboard and then also on the transom when you're at the sandbar. So give us a call today. Let's take a sea trial on this 270 SDX.